Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna see how to harden our Linux system, that is our personal PC. You know that Linux servers are hardened by a particular type of advanced firewall like pfSense, for which is an open source firewall, and also 48 firewalls. Those are pretty good firewalls for Linux servers. But when it comes to Linux systems, we're gonna check out like how to secure our Linux system. There are no much pretty much Linux system users until and unless you are kind of tech savvy or tech enthusiast folks. Like if you belong to that category, you use Linux. Otherwise, most of the people use Windows, which is not that much of secure. But when it comes to macOS, it is secure compared to Windows. I would say Linux is also not secure. This may be a bit of controversial, but listen, Linux is actually secure only when you use a particular kind of firewall or a security system which is built in some Linux systems, or you need to download it, which is a firewall thing we need to do in this Linux. So, UFW is a Linux firewall CLI tool which helps you to harden your Linux system security and protect your data from hackers stealing it. So, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to harden your Linux system. So, let's get back to the business. Open your terminal. First thing is, if you don't have your UFW command line tool or a command line firewall, the first thing you need to do is download it. So for that, the command is sudo UFW install, sudo apt install UFW and hit enter. So it's installing over here. Hope this is visible. And the next thing is we need to check the status of our UFW firewall. For that, you need to type sudo UFW status and hit enter. So currently it is inactive, and since it is inactive, we are gonna set some of the standard rules for hardening your Linux system security. So let us start with the first thing, that is we need to deny the incoming things like anything coming from the network, other networks particularly to your system, as a request, like how hackers try to use ports to get into your systems or servers. We need to deny it. So for that, sudo UFW set default deny incomings. I mean sudo UFW default deny incomings. Just a minute. Yeah, deny incoming. Enter. So this is the thing, this is the password. This incoming policy is changed to deny, and the next thing you need to do is allow outgoing. That is, you must be able to do your surfing on internet. For that reason, you need to allow outgoing. So the command will be sudo dfw default allow outgoing. So hit enter. So again, the rules have been changed. And the next important thing you need to do is disable your SSH. Why I'm saying that is that until and unless you have a requirement of using SSH, that is like only if you want to log into your system from remotely using SSH, you need to enable SSH. Otherwise, no need to keep your SSH on, keep it on deny mode. This pretty much secures your system. So for that, we'll hit sudo UFW deny SSH. So once you hit this command, the UFW is denied. Denies SSH for both V4 and V6 version of IP addresses, which is pretty much good. So let's check the status of UFW now. So currently it is inactive. So we need to activate it. That is by the command UFW enable So now a firewall is enabled. Now you can check the status. Now it says your status is active, along with the denied action for a TCP 22 version firewall that is from anywhere. So now there are other rules such as deny HTTP. This can be another rule, or HTTPS. Now let's check status. So this is a set of rules I have added. By the way, the deny of SSH, deny of HTTP and HTTPS is completely up to you. If you are some kind of guy working in web servers or some software website based companies which handles the web pages, so it's according to your needs. You need to deny HTTP or HTTPS. The standard ones are deny SSH and set defaults like allow outgoing and deny incoming. So this is so far what we need to do to harden our Linux system. If you like my video, kindly hit the subscribe button and like the like button on my YouTube channel somewhere down there, and kindly follow and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.